Up for sale is my 2008 Nissan 350. I'll never said I think, but on a serious note, here's what's up. Welcome back to another video. It is currently midnight. Not the usual time I like to start my videos, but we're gonna take a little night drive home, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. It's officially been a month with the Beamer, and I'm loving it, guys. As you guys see my past two videos, I did the whole 5 things I love, 5 things I hate, and just know I love the car a lot more than I hate it. I actually don't hate it at all. This thing is literally perfect. It's 10 out of 10. But I do have some news for you guys in this video, so I'm gonna drive the thing home and give you guys some news about this car. And I'm also gonna be selling something that I don't really want to sell, but it's time. It's that boost weather. I just took my uncle on a ride right now. I don't know what he was expecting, but it was not that. That's one thing about this car, guys. This car might be stock, bone stock, but this thing moves, dude. It's like a quarter throttle, bro. And that's one thing about BMW as well. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, like theory or whatever. But BMW, what's the word? They underhype. I don't know how to explain it, but let's say, for example, my Z from factory comes with 306 horsepower, crank horsepower, right? You put that car in the dyno bone stock, it'll probably read like 265, 270 wheel horsepower. This car comes advertised, I think 382 if I'm not mistaken. Crank horsepower, you throw this thing on the dyno, probably read like 380, 370. So it's over, or I guess underhyped. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but this car is making, I know for a fact, close to 400 wheel horsepower. Close. I'm not saying 400, but it's making it close. I'm sure it's gained a few horsepower from the exhaust alone as well. So this thing moves, guys. I'm very excited for the future, my future plans with this car as far as like performance. I don't think I'm gonna go big turbo on this car. I don't need to, just because of the simple fact that I have the Z. I don't care to make this car fast, super fast. Obviously, I do want to throw like a downpipe, the infamous downpipe tune. Yeah, just downpipe, some intakes, throw it on the E-Mix, and chilling, bro. Thankfully, these B58s are super bulletproof, especially with setups like that. So, I mean, I'm not gonna say I'll never put a big turbo on this thing, but just like anything else, once you start chasing that bigger power, you're gonna run into issues. I mean, there's my Z, bro. I mean, thankfully, the issue that it has right now, it's not really big. I've just been lazy and like procrastinating to fix it. But little stuff like that will start to occur, like little bugs. So this car, I want to keep it as reliable as possible, at least as of right now. I'm not gonna say I'll never do something, because I mean, you never know, but I'm blabbering off. Anyways, today, well, not today, it was actually the other day, probably like a week ago or a little bit less, I completed my first month with the car. Nothing but positive things to say about it, guys. If you guys are in the market for an M340i, I definitely recommend one. I'm gonna be sounding a little biased, but you could spend the extra $1 and get a 2023 plus. I mean, you'll get this sick ass interior. The ECU is locked, so you can't tune it, unfortunately. But I mean, that's not a big issue nowadays, at least. But I love this car, guys. I love this car. It turns heads, not like the Z will, like, but it like has a presence. I don't know how to explain it, but I love this car, guys. It's been a great month. I have not touched it. There's like this meme or like this saying or whatever. Oh, you're feeling the payments, huh? That is not why I haven't modified it. I've actually haven't modified it just because I love the car as it is. Like, it's been such a long time, even with the Q50, it's been such a long time since I've had a car that's like been like a hop in and drive it type of car, no problems whatsoever. And this car has been it for the last month, so I decided not to like touch it, just enjoy it as in its stock form. But that's what I want to talk to you guys about. I think right now when I get home, or sometime in this video, I'm probably gonna order its first mod. And after I get the first mod, that's when I'll start modifying it. Because I'm kind of picky in the way that I modify cars. Like, like the steps. For example, I won't throw a front lip on this thing with stock height and stock wheels. So once the first mod that I have in mind goes on, then I'll start, like for example, like an aero kit, wheels, etc. But this first mod is very crucial to the steps, if that makes sense. Besides that, I'm actually going to be selling something that I really don't want to sell. I never really planned to sell it, but it's time. It's time to sell it for better things. It's also gonna be Christmas, so actually I'll probably post it like the day before Christmas, but it's also gonna be Christmas, so happy holidays to everybody watching this. I hope you guys all have a good one with your family, with your loved ones, and I hope Santa brings you guys all the car parts you guys want. But yeah, guys, have a safe one, have a blessed one with your loved ones. You guys, I think I'm getting old. Before, like this drive that I just did, super lonely, you know, on the freeways, empty. Or in the Z at least, I'd probably be doing pool after pool. Even at this, like if I was younger and I had this car, pool after pool, like having fun. Instead, I put this thing in comfort, bump some music, and I was hella enjoying that empty freeway, bro, like just cruising. Am I an unk now, bro? But yeah, this car is the ultimate cruiser. I love it. With that, we made it home, thank God. Guys, I know I've said this like 1,000 times since I got the car, but I freaking love it. You guys were up to something when everybody went to Beamer. I was gonna show you guys what is gonna be up for sale, but it's kind of late, kind of tired, so I'll pick this up in the morning and show you guys what's gonna be for sale.
The next day.
All right, guys, it is now the next day, and I'm about to show you guys what's for sale. Yeah, I really don't want to sell this, but I think it's time to go. Up for sale is my 2008 Nissan 350. I'll never sell, I think, but on a serious note, here's what's actually for sale. My NISMO 57 CRs. I genuinely never thought I'd sell these wheels, but I don't think I'll ever put them back on, or at least not as of right now on the Z. So I decided to let them go. I kind of want to take all of them outside, but it's gonna be kind of hard because I can't move the Z out of the way. So I'm gonna just take out one so you guys can see it in the sunlight, see the tire that's on it, and later on, once I actually post them like on Facebook Marketplace, I'll take them all out, I guess. But for now, let's take out one. Actually, before I take them out, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the specs. So they're 19 by 10.5 plus 22 square, the best spec you could possibly get for these wheels. The wheels, the tires in the back, I'm sorry, the tires in the rear are 285 35 19s, and then the ones in the front 265 35 19s. So literally go to spec, guys. Here's a few pictures of my cars on the wheels. They're practically new condition, bro. I'm the first owner or whatever. I bought them brand new, no nicks, no nothing. They're pretty much perfect, and my dog is crying over there for some reason. If anybody's interested, DM me before I post them on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna go ahead and like promote them to you guys first. Yeah, let me know. Obviously 5x114.3 is the look pattern. It'll fit any VQ chassis perfectly, and obviously any other car with the 5x114.3 look pattern. Here's one of the wheels outside in the sunlight. My bad, I would have brought all four of them out, but the way I have them set up and the way I can't move this car out of the freaking way, it would just be too much of a hassle for like a 2-minute clip. So here's one of them. Like I said, they're pretty much perfect condition, guys. They're just a little dirty, obviously. They've just been sitting. I've taken very good care of these wheels, and they're for sale. I will not take any trades unless you have some good. I don't want to say what kind of wheels I would trade for, because I don't want to give it away on what I want to put on this car. But the only trades I would take would be a good wheel on an M340i spec 5x112, but preferably just trying to sell these. They are going to come with tires. The rears are pretty much brand new. These are the fronts. Low key, they definitely need some tires. I thought these were better, but the rears are pretty much brand new. But yeah, they're going to need some fronts, but they will come with tires, I guess. So yeah, if anybody's interested, send me a DM on Instagram. Like I said, they'll fit any VQ perfectly. This is the best spec that these wheels come with. Literally like the best one. 19 by 10.5 plus 22 all around, square setup. Every single, this is literally, I cannot stress this enough, the best spec for this wheel. Trust me. So yeah, if anybody's interested, hit me up and we'll get these sold to you guys. A lot of people have hit me up in the past, oh, do you want to sell these? Do you want to sell these wheels? And I've always declined because I genuinely didn't think I was ever going to sell these. But if I sell these, that means old girl over here gets new wheels, so it's all good. Oh, speaking about old girl, I actually bought the first mod. There's no way, bro. I literally just got an email, like, let me see if I could. Now, I literally just got the email right now that the shipment is on the way. What the hell? No way. I just ordered it like 2 hours ago. So you guys heard it here first. I bought the first mod for the M340i earlier today. For those of you guys that watched the last video, you guys know exactly what that part is. But for those of you guys that didn't, drop a guess down below. The M340 is finally gonna get some love. Not sure if you guys can see that, but look, this is the email I just got. Sick ass. So like I said, I wanted to wait a little bit to start modding this car just because I was enjoying it so much on its stock form. I've enjoyed it so much this past month. Like I said, a 10 out of 10 car. No regrets whatsoever. And usually by now, I probably would have, I thought I would have regretted it. But yeah, no regrets whatsoever, guys. Car's a 10 out of 10. And it's about to get the love it deserves. So yeah, new mod, first mod for this one coming on the way. These wheels are for sale, and this car needs to go to the shop this week. I wanted to take it today, or yeah, I literally wanted to take it today, Tuesday, but here where I live, it's gonna rain the next couple of days. So let's say hypothetically I would have taken it today, it would have been fixed today, it would have been sketchy to drive it back with these tires and with that turbo sitting in the back. So yeah, that's why I pretty much canceled it, and we're gonna have to wait till next week now, or the weekend. But yeah, guys, sorry if this was like a more boring video. It's kind of like an update and letting you guys know that I'm sending these. Like I said, a lot of people would hit me up in the past, are you sending your NISMOs? Can you send me your NISMOs? And I would always decline. And now is your chance if you really want these for your VQ or whatever car with the 5x114.3 what do you call it, lug pattern. Now's your chance. Like I said, first owner. I take very good care of my wheels. Unfortunately, they are a little bit dirty right now, but I mean, they're in pretty much perfect condition. So if you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram, and yeah, we'll get these sold. Well, there you guys have it, guys. Not sure if next video will be me taking this car to the shop or me installing the new mod on the car. But yeah, on the bright side, now you guys know I wasn't gonna keep this thing stock forever. I know, like I said, I took a little longer than even I thought I was gonna take, but I was just enjoying the car. I still am enjoying the car in the stock form, and the car really doesn't need anything. But obviously, those car guys, we still find a way to ruin the car. So with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one.